JFON is important to the community we serve because they address a need that few organizations can address. They have that expertise. They're bilingual, bicultural. They're able to, they understand the very complicated immigration law that, at least at the present time, governs this country. And so from that perspective, provide a resource that many people in our community need to be able to access. We partner with JFON in a number of different ways, but primarily in helping our clients who have legal immigration issues that need to be addressed, especially the women and families that we serve in our domestic abuse program, because there are legal pathways to citizenship that if they can access those, it helps them to break the cycle of violence by escaping from their situation and leading a more happy, safe quality of life.
One of the community groups that we serve at Appleseed are immigrant Nebraskans. And one of the most pressing needs often for that community are legal services. And Justice for Our Neighbors provides really high quality legal services to help people address some of the basic challenges they're facing in their everyday lives. But they're also taking what they hear in the community as some of the larger underlying problems and then partnering with us at Appleseed to help bring about larger change.
You know, a lot of our families really have a myriad of needs, very diverse needs. And by bringing in a partner agency that has a very particular focus in one area, such as Justice for Our Neighbors, it really helps two organizations come together and provide much better services for our community. Working with JFON has been wonderful. They come in and they meet with our clients at the Latino Center of the Midlands, and that's been a very fruitful and effective partnership.
Immigration legal services is such a huge need in our community here in Nebraska, and there just simply aren't enough attorneys to provide services to all the families. So without Justice for Our Neighbors, there would be, an even bigger void, and that would leave a lot of families, in kind of a gray area and not able to move forward. And, that's not good for Nebraska. It's not good for families. And so I think it's such an essential role that they are playing, and we're very proud to be partners with them in that work.
When you have those immigration issues and you don't have a way to get them resolved, it can be really difficult to live a quality life. You're sort of at the mercy of a lot of unscrupulous people who will take advantage of that vulnerability. And so by having this great resource for the community, we're able to better protect those people's needs and make sure that they're getting what they need.
When organizations really do start to work in partnership with each other, it starts to grow, I think, each individual organization's capacity.
We are accomplishing more together than either of us could do separately, and that's a really good feeling. And at the end of the day, you feel like you're contributing back to the community something meaningful.
I think one of the things about JFON that's especially rewarding is to work with their staff, because they're so engaged in the work that they do. They're so passionate about serving the people that they serve. And that's always a difficult thing when you're engaged in this sort of collaborative work. You want to partner with other agencies. You want to get as many resources leveraged at the table as you can. But you worry, if you invite a partner to the table, are they going to care as much as you care about the client? Are they going to be as engaged? Are they going to have quality work and follow through and what have you? And with JFON, that's going to happen, and that makes that partnership all the more exciting and I think effective.